This Autodesk Fusion tutorial continues a series of lessons going through a mechanical drawing textbook. The problems in the textbook instruct students on how to figure out what information they need to make working drawings, but we can also use them to learn 3D modeling techniques inside Fusion. For this problem, the student needs to draw a third angle projection of this brace, but we're going to go ahead and model it and learn about the offset command. First, let's create a sketch. Select this plane. Then press L, start at the origin, click, draw straight up, out to the side, and then back to the origin. In this particular case, I have missed the origin. This can happen sometimes. So I'm going to select the coincident constraint, select this point, and then the origin. Now I'm ready to dimension my sketch. Press D, select this item, and it is 5.75 IN. This part here is 7.75 IN. We could draw another triangle inside here, but that is too much work and can be prone to errors. It's better to use the offset command. Select the offset command, choose the sketch lines, then drag the direction you want to go. In this case, it's a negative number, so negative 0.75 IN. Now we have all the information in our sketch and are ready to extrude. Press E on your keyboard, select the profile, then for direction, make sure you select symmetric. The distance is 1 1/8, but we only want half of that. We can have Fusion do the math for us. Press parentheses, 1 1/8 IN, close parentheses, divided by 2. Now it only uses half of the dimension on each side. Select OK. Now we've taken that mechanical drawing textbook problem and created a precise model in Autodesk Fusion. We also learned how to use the offset command when sketching. Happy 3D modeling!